reads books to you.
There's big kisses.
Isn't that going to be fun?
Logan, did you open that up? Hey, what'd you get, big fella? Huh? What'd you get, big boy? Wow, cool.
Here,
Ooh,
button.
what you got?
I'll show you.
Very nice. Awesome. That's my happy baby. What'd you get, Logan? What is that?
Wow.
What are you laughing at over there?
Paper. And we
Huh,
can
goofball?
decorate with it in your room behind your door. What do you think? That'll be cool, huh?
Yeah, we can
Wait, you like this
ceiling with that.
What's that?
This.
The
Alright, where are the
ceiling.
rest of the little presents behind it, please?
Ceiling.
Yep, those are all for Logan.
house.
Come on, Logan.
Every single
Come here. Come on. No, over here. We'll put them over here.
Okay.
Not
Logan,
over there.
Come open the presents.
Come on, Logan.
These are all for you. Come open them. Come open them.